This 4-door, 5-passenger truck is ready to drive off the showroom floor. Top features include power windows, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, automatic dimming door mirrors, power moonroof, heated door mirrors, and a split-folding rear seat. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. The memory system includes pedal position, allowing multiple drivers to find their preferred driving positions easily. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Call now to schedule a test drive.